Myth alert, here's a common false choice I see a lot of online. Why pay off my debt when I can invest?
Option number one is that I put all the money in my TFSA and I invest it because the market's going down. It's a good time to buy. Stocks on sale, right? Option two is that I put this $7,000 towards my car loan. My other side of my brain is like, no, just invest it. Like, you're going to get more over the long term if you just invest it.
She's not totally wrong, but let's talk about what she's missing in three ways. First, that 10% market return, that's an average over decades. The market could drop in this next year, we just don't know. But paying off your car loan is guaranteed savings. Let's imagine your car loan is at the US average of around 6%. That's guaranteed 6% back if you pay it off. Would you rather have a guaranteed 6% return or an unknown chance at a 10% or higher return? Maybe you do want to roll the dice. Many people would, but it's not as simple as 10% versus 6%. In fact, 6% is an average car loan rate. Yours might be higher and close to 10%, or might be lower and further away from 10%. That'll affect how you calculate your risk. Not to mention, investment returns are taxed, so even a 10% rate isn't truly a 10% rate. Also, please don't tell me stocks are on sale. Neither you, nor I, nor your uncle at Thanksgiving knows exactly what are going to happen in the equity markets this year. Are they on sale right now? Or are they going to be on a bigger discount in a couple of months? Second, this video doesn't account for the psychological benefit of paying off your car loan. If you're paid off, that's no more monthly payments, and your future savings can go straight into investing. That's all upside. Third, risk tolerance matters. If you lost your job tomorrow, you'd be happy you paid off your car loan, especially if the stock market is down for the year. If she couldn't pay off a car loan of $7,000 before this lump sum, it actually doesn't sound like she has many savings. Sometimes investing while you have debt is the right move. Millions of Americans and Canadians are in the market even though they have a mortgage, for example. But it's about your financial situation, not just comparing two numbers.